Why do 80% of creators thrive on Patreon? Let's uncover the secrets to their success. Patreon is your ticket to ongoing support from your fans. Start by creating a creator account and outline your creative work. Next, set up membership tiers. Think of these as subscription levels. Each tier offers different perks, from exclusive blog posts to personalized feedback. Be clear about what your patrons get for their support. Transparency builds trust. Set up a payment method like PayPal or Stripe for smooth transactions. Engage with your patrons regularly. Post updates, respond to comments, and ask for feedback. Consistency is key. Promote your Patreon page across your socials and website to attract more patrons. Remember, analyze your costs and adjust your tiers to ensure sustainability. Mix digital and physical rewards to keep everyone happy, and don't be afraid to experiment. Use your Patreon analytics to refine your strategy. Build a strong community, celebrate milestones, host Kwandas, and create exclusive events. Adapt and evolve as your journey continues.